Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today is Wednesday. Today's wrap tutorial, I'm going to be using one of our stunning new leatherette wraps that just came in stock. There's a bunch of them. I'm wearing the Boo Boo Moose Shaper, and the type of wrap that I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to end up with tails on my left side. I generally prefer my left side to have tails versus my right side, just because I feel like this is my better side. So that's what I'm gonna do. So when I'm putting it on, I'm gonna start with having the right side much shorter than the left side. And I'm gonna put it on an angle. So this much is going to be, this is my right side, so this is how much I have. And then everything else is on the left side. So all I'm doing is I'm folding it a little bit like this, and as you all know, I prefer the angled look with my features. I'm just taking it to the back, crisscrossing, bringing this here. Then we're gonna work with this side. What I always say is to fold it into thirds, but bring the inner in first and the outer to cover it, because the inner corner will always be shorter than the outer corner. So I always bring the inner in first and the outer over it. We're gonna bring it up and over like this, continuing with the V over here. And if you wanted to pleat it a little bit, you can totally do that. This fabric works beautifully with that style. Taking it to the back, bringing it over. And then sometimes the wrap will be long enough to where you can bring it over and tie it and then leave it down. This one isn't long enough to do that. As you can see, it like ends right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie it, because then that's when I'm gonna leave it down. And that is how I got the tails both on one side. Very easy way. You could totally pleat it more if you want, but that's how I'm gonna leave it.